Now we'll be doing the sound of E-A. E-A says E. E-A says E. Now read along with me. H-E-A-D. Head. B-R-E-A-D. Very good. Very good. Bread. D-R-E-A-D. Very nice. Dread. I know you said it. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. S-T-E-A-D. Stead. G-R-E-A-T. Great. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat. B-R-E-A-K. Break. B-E-A-R. Bear. Can you see a bear here? B-E-A-R. Bear. P-E-A-R. Pear. W-E-A-R. Where? Y-E-A-R. Year. Very nice. We have completed reading it. You will have to practice it again and again. Again and again. Okay? So you will be able to do it more nicely. You all are my diamonds. I know it. Very good. Bye-bye.